The IntraVUE event log is available for all devices by right-clicking and bringing up the System menu and selecting Event Log. It's available for individual devices by right-clicking on the device, and you'll see Event Log for each device. When the event log first opens, the maximum number of events are displayed. You can go previous because it always starts with the most recent event. In most browsers, you need to click one time inside the dialog to activate the control. Clicking on Show Filters shows you the various ways you can filter IntraVUE, and you can hide filters at any time to see more events. I'm going to review the filters going across the top. The first filter is to not have all events by selecting one of these available options. You can select to see the first event first or the last event first. You can filter by event number or date. If you had more than one IntraVUE network defined, you can select among the devices which are in that network. Here we only have one defined, and this is a list of all of the IP addresses in IP address sequence. We can sort them by device name, and then they'll be alphabetical by device name. You can also select a device in this list or more than one device in this list, and then select only Use Selected IPs. If you click New at this point in time, you'll only see events for those IPs that are selected in this list. These can still be selected. If you unselect that checkbox and go New, you'll see all events again. You can also display text filters. If I only want to see events with SNMP in it, I type SNMP, and these searches are case insensitive, and click New, and I'll only see events that have the text SNMP in the text. If I uncheck color-coded, all the events will just alternate between shades of gray. You can also select to get 100 events, only what fits in the display, 500, 1,000, or 2,000 events at a time. If I click on Hide Filters, I'll be able to see that many more events. Additionally, if you select an event, you have some other options available to you. If you right-click, you can choose to center the device in IntraVUE. You can get to the threshold graphs for this device, or you can filter for this device only when you're looking at many devices. When I filter for this device only, and now I select a device and right-click on it, center that device in IntraVUE, or I can show all events surrounding this device. And that will be according to the time of that device that I had selected. Selecting an event and then picking Center this device in IntraVUE will result in that device being centered in the IntraVUE display.